wished you could use ChatGPT without the internet? No sign-ins, no subscriptions, no limits. Just your own personal AI running on your computer. That's exactly what we're doing today. We're going to install Open WebUI with bundled LLaMA support in the simplest way possible. You don't need to know code, you don't need an OpenAI key. You just need this video and a few clicks. By the end, you'll have your own ChatGPT-like interface, but it's local, private, and completely under your control. Let's get started. Before we do anything, let me explain what you're installing just so nothing feels confusing. There are two main parts, LLaMA and Open WebUI. LLaMA is the engine. It's what runs the AI models like LLaMA, Mistral, or Gemma. Think of it like the brain of the operation. It handles all the intelligence and language generation. Open WebUI is the face. It's the clean, user-friendly interface you'll be typing into. It looks very similar to ChatGPT. Together, they give you a private AI chatbot that works like ChatGPT, except it's 100% offline and 100% yours. No OpenAI account, no spying, and you can even run this without an internet connection once setup is complete. To install these two apps easily, we're going to use Docker. Docker is like a box that carries the entire program and all its dependencies, so we don't have to worry about missing files, wrong versions, or compatibility issues. Open your browser and search for Docker Desktop. Click the official link from docker.com. If you're on Windows, choose the Windows installer. If you're on Mac, get the Mac version. Once you download it, install it like any other app. Just click through the prompts. If Docker asks you to sign in, you can create a free account or just skip it if it allows. It still works either way. Once it's installed, launch it and make sure you see the little whale icon running in your taskbar or menu bar. That's how you know Docker is active. If Docker won't launch, restart your computer and try again. It sometimes needs system permissions on first launch. Now open your terminal or command prompt. This is where we'll run the command to install everything. If you're on Windows, click the Start button and type command prompt, open that. If you're on Mac, open Terminal from Applications and Utilities. This is just a black box where we'll paste a command. You don't need to understand the code, I'll explain it, and it's completely safe. Here's the command that installs both LLaMA and Open WebUI together. On Windows, paste this. On Mac or Linux, this one. This does 5 things. It downloads the Open WebUI plus LLaMA combo image. It creates folders for saving your chat data and downloaded models. It maps port 3000 so you can open the app in your browser, names the container Open WebUI Ollama for easy access, and starts the service in the background. Once you paste it and press enter, Docker will begin downloading some files. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. After a few minutes, the installation finishes. Now open your browser. In the address bar, type this. Hit enter and you should see the Open WebUI interface. If it doesn't show up right away, wait 30 seconds and refresh. It might just be starting up the first time. Once it loads, you'll be asked to create an account. Don't worry, this is just a local account stored on your own machine. It's not online or shared with anyone. Click Create Account and enter any username and password. You can even use something simple like admin and password because it's all local. You're not uploading anything to the cloud and you can always reset it by removing the Docker container later. Now that you're logged in, you'll see a clean interface with a chat input bar and modal drop down. You're ready to start using it, almost. Click the model selector in the sidebar or settings. As you would see, it's empty, so we'll go back to LLaMA and download a version. You can pick anything, just copy this, then paste it back here. This will take a few minutes depending on your internet. Some models are 4 GB, some are 8 GB, so give it a bit of time. Once it's ready, it will auto-load and you can start chatting. Ask it anything, it works almost exactly like ChatGPT. To reopen it next time, you don't need to run the long command every day. Next time, just open Docker, then open your command prompt and type this one. Then go back to your browser and visit this. And just like that, you're back inside your local AI assistant. No internet, no logins, no limits, it's yours. If your PC shuts down or restarts unexpectedly, the service won't auto-resume. Just reopen Docker, wait for it to start, then use the same Docker start command. You don't have to reinstall anything or re-download the model. It's all saved. This makes it really reliable once it's set up. If this one isn't still loading, try these. Check if Docker is running, look for the whale icon. Open Docker and look for the container named Open WebUI Ollama. Make sure it says running. If it's not running, click Start or use the Docker Start command again. If all else fails, stop and delete the container and rerun the full install command from earlier. Here's why this setup is awesome. You get full privacy, nothing leaves your machine. You can run multiple models side by side. You don't need to depend on OpenAI or pay for GPT-4. It works offline once the models are downloaded, and you can even use it for research, writing, code, or language learning, all without paying a cent. And it's yours forever, no surprise billing or cloud outages. So there you go. You now have your very own offline AI assistant running on your desktop. This is how to literally where we keep things simple, smart, and scam-free. See you in the next one.